Okay, Friday evening. It's the boys' night to make dinner. And they are doing some semi-homemade pizza. Now, yeah, because we bought the pastry.
I'd say it's majority.
Majority, yeah, that's true. But we bought like the dough, and we got some tomato sauce with it, and now they are putting everything together. They have their pizza here.
How many strips of
pizza here? And they have some cheese on. Then they are gonna put tomatoes, pepperettes, something like that.
Yeah,
chicken and bacon.
Bacon. How many strips are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let me get out of their way and watch them work.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was 10.
10? Okay, so how do you want them big? How would you like? You think we should cut them big or?
You should cut them kind of like in a squares or rectangle or something.
Yeah, like
so you can.
Pepperoni size.
Yeah.
Pepperoni size. Okay, so like this.
Maybe a bit bigger.
Yeah, like that maybe.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5.
This is 5, and
so this is for 1.
I think this is 5, right? 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is 4. I thought there were 10. There's 9.
1, 2, 3.
That's okay.
4. Yeah, it's okay. Well, this size you said?
Okay, be careful now because we don't want any fingers. We just want bacon.
Okay, so you can start spreading this on yours. You guys get the size.
Teamwork makes the dream work. And then you're going to put it back into the oven for how long?
Oh, wait. No, sorry.
What?
I think we probably, because this is already done, the bacon is probably going to be too crispy.
No, that's okay because your pizza is done too. I see this shell is done, so it's not going to be in there that long.
So the cheese, you think the cheese is going to take a few minutes?
Yeah,
I think it's going to be just fine because those bacons look a little underdone.
No, they're just not burnt.
What's wrong with you?
They're just not burnt.
Okay, Jada, those are yours.
Should I put them on now?
Yeah, put them on. Put them on then.
Daddy, keep cutting.
I just want Jada to remove. This is there. This left is ours, so I don't want to mix them up. That's theirs.
Okay, and they're gonna have chicken too.
We have to.
And those venison pepperettes.
It's not deer.
Yeah, it is.
It's deer.
Yeah, just like the thing you guys ate last
You
week.
don't know what it is, man. Did they say it's deer?
Of course, he told me. He told me it's deer. It's deer meat.
Oh, deer tastes good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Deer.
Deer is deer.
Venison pepperettes.
Is it there?
The deer is there.
Okay, so
I think it will taste similar to the sausages you guys had last week.
Yeah.
I tasted it already, honey.
You did?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I tasted it.
That's only the chef for me.
Yeah, your pizza is looking pretty meaty. And you don't have your chicken yet. Okay.
Oh, I'm going to put the chicken on top because I really want the chicken to get some.
Oh, it's already split up?
It's not split up yet. Just do it half and half. Oh yeah, I was trying to. But I don't know. You guys take one side. Yeah. Yeah, I forget that is. Wow, this is.
That's a loaded pizza.
It's a Canadian meat.
Just take the plate over there down because Daddy's gonna use it next anyway.
Yeah.
It's a Canadian meat.
Yeah, Canadian. That's exactly.
Canadian what?
Like, meat lovers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I think we can put our chocolate. I'm gonna try to put this so they are more. They're kind of trying to get them to be like. So when you slice them.
So you guys gonna have tomatoes too or no? No, eh? You guys don't want veggies.
There's a lot of tomato paste on it.
You guys want any peppers? Or you
Of
don't?
course.
Just kidding with that. Okay, honey. This is you and I. Oh, this is you and I. In terms of decor, the guys don't look better than mine.
Garnishing. I don't even know if it's good garnishing. Not
It's not garnish.
garnish
This is
with
the
me.
food.
But it's not decor either.
You garnish with like a
Parsley
some
and-
parsley or some paste or something.
But it's not decor either.
Wow.
You're decorating the
Wow,
food
this is
with the
gonna-
meat and...
Wow, this is. Nah, this is gonna be too good. This is what do you call this is a deluxe.
I'm eating dark chocolate.
What do you refer to when you have one of these things that are
Loaded.
no, they're like they're not your usual one.
Premium.
Yes, it's premium. It is premium. It's like you go on your harder one.
Deluxe.
Yeah,
Mhm.
deluxe is kind of part of it. Like you go to a hotel and you just get that one.
Here's an empty plate.
That's what I want. Okay.
You don't want a little tomatoes? You sure?
Yeah.
Here, Daddy. So all that tomato is going on ours.
Yeah.
Here, put this over there.
No problem with the tomato. The food is supposed to be colorful. This is nice.
Okay, do you want something green on it? Maybe you can put some celery.
Yeah, cilantro, just to...
I don't have any cilantro. It's a celery.
Okay.
You can put the celery on the
Think
side.
tomato is too much?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Yeah, but put it
I
on.
know it's good for me.
So
Yeah.
you're the only one who needs that
No,
cooking?
not you. Wow, that...
Okay, now
Maybe
gonna put it
I
in.
should go on top because we have more stuff.
go ahead, put it in. And how long does it stay in for?
Well, I think...
Honey, get something to hold. Are they hot?
Yes, because we put them initially. We're just
Oh,
talking
they're not that
about 5 minutes now. 5 minutes.
Just push it further. And there's a pepper right on the...
Yeah.
Don't push it to the side.
Do it this now.
You don't want it to burn. Put them in the middle.
Where? But the boat can't be in the
The
middle.
guy should have used convex so that the air blows around and it comes out more even.
Okay, we can do that. Convert
350.
350.
Start. Yeah. Okay. So in 5 minutes, we should have some pizza.
Yeah, we should have some bigger. In 5 minutes, wait.